2026, and we are still discussing Nigerian politics. Now, the governor of Oyo State, Seyi Makinde, just reminded us what transpired in Nigeria's political history between 1962 and 1966. I repeat, the governor of Oyo State, Seyi Makinde, just reminded us what transpired in Nigeria between 1962 and 1966. Now, he sent a warning to the APC and President Tinubu that if they attempt
ọmọ Yorùbá ọlágbára o, mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo ẹ̀ lólùfẹ́ BMI TV show, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ súnmọ́ bí báyìí kẹ́ ẹ wá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí Seyi Makinde tó sọ, gọ́vnọ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ State. Ẹ wá gbọ́n tó sọ, òun náà wà lára àwọn tó fẹ́ gbàbọ̀dè fún Yorùbá, ọmọ Yorùbá ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀, ìyẹn bàbá Tinubu Jàgàbá. Ṣó yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀? Ọmọ Yorùbá, ṣé ó yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀? Ṣé ó yẹ kí a tún máa gbàbọ̀dè fún ara wa bí torí òṣèlú? Torí òṣèlú, ṣé ó yẹ ká tún máa gbàbọ̀dè fún ara wa bí? Ọmọ Yorùbá, ohun tí Seyi Makinde dá lára, ohun tó ṣe àti ohun tó fẹ́ ṣe fún bàbá Tinubu, mo fẹ́ kí a jọ farabalẹ̀ kájọ wá gbọ́. Ọmọ Yorùbá, ohun tẹ́yìn náà bá rí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ náà, ẹ bá kọ sábẹ́ comment. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Tó bá jẹ́ wípé àsìkò tá a wà yìí ó tún yẹ kí a tún máa dalẹ̀ ara wa ní, ẹ jẹ́ ká rí lábẹ́ comment yín. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Ẹ ṣé gan ni, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.
To turn Nigeria into a one-party state and rig the election. What happened in 1965 will repeat itself in Nigeria again. Now, what happened? They call it Operation Wettier. Operation Wettier was a political crisis that led to the first military coup in Nigeria. Operation Wettier. What happened? The crisis was sparked by a power struggle within the Action Group party between Chief Obafemi and his deputy, Chief Lọdọ. Now, it intensified following the disputed 1965 Western Region elections, which were marked by allegations of massive rigging in favor of Akintola's Nigerian National Democratic Party (NNDP). Now, the collapse of law and order in the West served as a major justification for Nigeria's first military coup on January 15, 1966. Now, the term Operation Wettier has returned to Nigerian political discourse following a summit of opposition leaders in Ibadan on the 25th of April 2026. Now, what is Governor Seyi Makinde saying? He warned against the country drifting towards a one-party state, stating, for those that are carrying on as if there is no tomorrow, they should remember that Operation Wettier started from Ibadan. This is the same wild, wild west. What is wild, wild west? Operation Wettier, wild, wild west. Wild, wild west is a term where there was lawlessness in this Western region. Lawlessness, riot, arson in the West. That's why they call it, the papers there called it, the headlines, Wild Wild West. So Seyi Makinde is saying that we should remember that Operation Wettier started from Ibadan. Now the ABC in reaction condemned the remarks as reckless incitement to violence and a threat to national security. Supporters of the governor, such as members of the Lọdọ State Advisory Council, argued his statement was a timely advice to avoid repeating the historical mistakes of the First Republic. Now, I went to the newspaper stands and I got the Nation newspaper. And when you look at the headline, Nation newspaper, we know the godfather of Nation newspaper, we know it, we cannot see it. Wettier, more love for Makinde. The ABC is reacting to that statement from Makinde. For those of us that were not born during that time, I just give you a brief history of what Wettier means. It was a political crisis that plunged Nigeria into its first military coup, the instability. You know, those that carried out the coup, they said that there was corruption, politicians were corrupt. So the excuse for that coup was this operation Wetye, this Western region political crisis between Akintola and Chief Obafemi Awolowo. Now, let's look at reactions. On the page 2 of the newspaper, Seyi Makinde is saying the governor warned that it was preceded by the move towards a one-party state. The reason why he said what he said was because the APC is trying to turn Nigeria into a one-party state. Okay? And hardship brought about by government policies and programs. What led to what here? Rigging, political disagreement, massive rigging. Okay. The governor, Makinde said, Operation Wetye started from here in Ibadan, recalling how the destruction of opposition voices plunged southwest into political instability. Now, Afenifere, they made a statement. What are they saying? Afenifere, the pan-Yoruba social political group, which argued the political class should avoid circumstances that could lead to violence, considered to the opposition leaders the right to field a consensus presidential candidate for 2027. So Afenifere is saying that please do not allow any political crisis in the southwest. Now, as someone that was not born there, let me observe what is happening in Nigeria today. Any political crisis in the southwest will destroy the southwest region. I'm just talking to the Bola Tinubu and the Makinde. Any political crisis in the southwest, the enemies will take advantage of that political crisis and destroy the.
ẹgbọ́ tó wá yẹ kí Makinde máa wà lẹ́yìn àwọn tí ó dùn gbàbọ̀dé fún bàbá Tinubu. ọmọ Yorùbá sọ yẹ kí Seyi Makinde ó tún wà lára àwọn tí ń fẹ́ gbàbọ̀dé fún bàbá Tinubu ọ̀dà o. ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ká ronú o. ṣé ìwò kan ṣe ẹ̀sìn wà lẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣé kò tó ronú sí ni? Kí ló dé? Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ẹbí bàbá Tinubu wà ń bẹ̀, àmọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ ká wò yẹn ọ̀nà tá a gbà tí ìjọba òfin ní bọ́ lọ́wọ́ wa òun ló yẹ ká sá. ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ká ronú o, ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ gbọ́ lọ.
Southwest region. So people need to be wise in how they play their politics, or how they make their utterances, or how they try to guard the opposition or put them in their pocket. I repeat, any political crisis that happen in the southwest as we speak, any political crisis is going to lead to the region being destabilized. But one thing I can assure you that I don't think that the way it was in 1965 is the same way it will be in this 2027 or 2026. I don't think it is going to take the same shape. What happened then and now, there are two different scenarios. I don't think that the people have the capacity and they are united enough to carry out such operation or such political crisis. But if there is going to be a political crisis, man, it's going to drag the southwest backwards. What Seyi Makinde is doing is no politics. I don't think that Seyi Makinde can pull that stunt, because Nigerians are very in the southwest. I don't think Nigerians will have the guts to want to cause another riot, political riot or political crisis in the country. So my reaction to this operation Wetye will be that let's start with the ADC. I don't think that the ADC is going to, that coalition opposition, I don't think they are going to be able to come together and form a coup. The problem will start with the choice of a presidential candidate. That's where the problem will start. When you look at it critically. So there's nothing, anything, if the opposition is not organized, who is going to carry out the operation Wetye? Even in the United States, we have different opposing views. Who is going to carry it? If today now they did not pick, because they are saying that their plans to pick Atiku as president, then Seyi Makinde as vice president. So the coalition will even be scattered. This one we are talking about presidency. It is not a southwest politics, presidency. in the southwest today, politically, they are divided. Nigerians, the way they were then is different from the way they are now. Nigerians' awareness, political awareness, integrity, fighting and standing for their vote, then and now, they are two different things entirely. So the possibility of an operation where they are repeating itself, I don't think it is possible. But my own advice is that if you have another southwest political crisis, it is going to destroy southwest Nigeria. The Fulani and other people, if you think that the south and the southeast are with you, people joining the southwest today, they are just there because of convenience. If anything happens to the southwest, destabilize. See, now the southeast and the south and the north, they will join together. They will help you scatter everything. So southwest politicians need to be wise. The APC needs to allow the opposition thrive. Because I know that the APC, they are not sure of victory when it comes to a free and fair election. I know that. They are afraid. Tinubu's politics may, like I told you, Tinubu may be Nigeria's last president. Because of this particular kind of politics that Tinubu is playing, maybe Nigeria's last president. And more is coming. Expect more. Expect more. 2027 election is going to be very, very brutal. But I can still insist that Tinubu is winning the election. Because I've said it. There are only three things that can remove Tinubu. One, revolution. Number two, a military coup. And number four, if God take away his life. So if I'm looking at it critically from a point of view, can I say that Nigerians will be willing? Nigerians can carry out a revolution now. That was a western region politics. This one is Nigerian politics. So whatever happens in the southwest, in Ibadan, in the western region, does not really. It is just the west. Other people can be fine. So the scenario then and now, there are two different things. Two different things. So whatever it is that is happening, any small palm of violence and crisis, Nigeria will turn upside down. Tell you. Because I've been on the street for the past 3-4 days. There is a lot of anger. I can beat my chest that if the APC conducts a free and fair election, they will lose woefully. But the APC has instrumentations to win the election. They don't depend on your vote. They can depend, you know the city boy movement. They don't move from state to state, town to town, trying to convince people. At the end of the day, they have not been able to penetrate the grassroots. They can only penetrate the grassroots where they think they are popular, where they have the sentiment, the local sentiment. But they cannot penetrate the grassroots. In South, look at what happened in Edo State. What happened in the Southeast. They cannot even go to the North. The city boy movement. It tells you the condition of Nigeria, economic condition of Nigeria is biting. If you are living abroad, you should notice that the number of people that are calling for help has increased. So, as it stands now, we just let it look. What will determine option where in the Southwest is if the opposition is united. What will determine if the opposition is united is when they finish their primaries. We'll now know whether they will be united enough to now say Operation Weche on Bola Tinubu. This video you're about to watch is a reaction to this Weche of a thing. Enjoy. You God will bless you for that statement. When you say Weche, they didn't know of Weche. What about the Kantan language that was spoken before this language? It's equal right of justice, 1+1. The first language, chief of staff for the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the name of Femi Bajamela. Did you see that statement? They go and scatter them. Go and scatter them. Wait, you see that language? See, we are coming to a where the road will come to an end. He said, although we come to the end of the road, we are coming to the end of the road. I'm telling you, it's all the same meaning. All have leakage. Yes, sir. The two of them have leakage, but this one is angry, this one is angry. But the one that is more heavier than the majority of Nigeria will accept is this language of this governor. Can you imagine? Don't you see what is happening now? Don't you see the first time in Nigeria history, a party is trying to dismantle all party, make a Nigeria a one-man party system? Other passenger, Lokoba was okay, do that affair, but that do that affair was not too much wickedness. They say leave this man alone. They leave him alone, Lagos State. If you feel that they use that systematic attitude of this present government now, Jagabano will inherit Lagos.
successful economy as a democracy level. But now see what's happening. Destroy party, destroy Labour Party, destroy this one, destroy this one. See, do you know enough evidence? What is the meaning of evidence? What is the meaning of evidence? Say they don't have evidence. He said she is believing. She is believing. What you see is different from what you know. You self want to come with the eye. Okay, can you tell me that Bajamela don't tell me what was your boss there? Okay, I will come and prove evidence. When the whole world see and saw and hear violent statement from the house of the president, anarchy statement, reasonable felony statement, go and scatter who? Reasonable felony. If you see the military G execute fair response, did you imagine? Go and scatter them. See, you say one day God will let them to confess from their heart. Now what did they for the man? And they have been doing it to the essence in that jam talk, and it's not regretted, but the deed have been done. You can't swallow it anymore. You see, somebody will invoke that statement. See, that's what I like. Say one word. When I read that story, I read the story, Akitola, and whatever. See, where are we really going now? You know how much is this one you are seeing here? Somebody buy one, give him one day, give him one, go and give 7 million. Yeah, they will give 1.7 million. I have a wicked slavery in your father's house, in your father's land. Where are we going now? How long are you going to pay 7 million? Because you don't have food to eat, the children don't have food to eat, now you are a slave. And we still have a government. My job, honoring machine. I bought my job 2009. I bought my job 120,000. I bought 240. Now what my job is 1.3 million. 1.3 million. Ordinary motorcycle. And you say the government is okay. Nigeria is dying every day. Abject poverty, silently dying. In the history of Nigeria, I never see a situation like this. You better be frank with ourselves. Situation like this. You better be frank with ourselves. Nigeria is tired. The solution is when you allow the will of the people to manifest according to them, there will be a situation like that. Last time, you see the election, in the middle of the night, and last election, somebody got 9 million, somebody got 7 million. Arrangement. Okay, now you came as a lion in the house. What is the difference between lion and antelope here? Nigeria don't live it on their own. And they have kilos. Don't you see money? Anytime they give Akpabio share. Akpabio make a statement, say, you Nigeria, don't protest. We are here chopping chicken. That language is good for him. The language is waiting for him. One day, he go drink that guy when he's soak. And he go still come. Because Nigeria are waiting for them. Because Nigeria is tired of them. We are tired of the system. How long are we going to continue like this? And we are the most popular black nation on earth, the most blessed nation on earth, Nigeria. That is the most abject poverty nation on earth because of what? We can't do that. The solution is that we have to change, we have to come back. We have to come together, whether Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, Christian, Muslim. We have to speak one voice against this iniquity. Against iniquity that we call ourselves government. Somebody can change. Okay, change, fail. Hope, fail. Renew hope. How long? How many? Talk about it. See, a president, you are giving us statement of how patient, how long? Change, hope, renew hope. Talk about it. 4 under 3 years, no one walk. Go! You are not the first president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and you can never be the last. So leave us in peace and go home. Let someone that is capable take affairs of the country. Don't you see what is happening? Why? Why protein no? You Nobody anywhere here will be enter bar, destroy that place. Go scatter that place. Go scatter that place. Why are you afraid? You say I'm not afraid, but you're afraid. You spoke, say, okay, now, Nigeria, if I don't give you light, I'm my first children, don't vote for me. And now the language will come back to him. You do see light all around everywhere. No light. So no coming back again. It's not easy to fix Nigeria. But you said it. You said it. You don't even know the capacity of responsibility of taking the affair of Nigeria. You say you are capable. And you told me that it is my job. Everybody is standing my way. At the end, you are in the throne. Nigeria is suffering abject poverty. Where are the elders in Nigeria? Everywhere silent. He's silent, all of them. Can you imagine? Lagos is the home of all Nigeria. Anything that happened in Lagos State, it happened to the rest. But now, Lagos State started the protest against Tinubu. Can you forget Maryland or Tota? Protest against what? You want to remove oil subsidy. Now, you came first day, assembly gone. Nigeria gone. Now something came. Where are we really going now? And I believe, and I know, at the end of the day, at the end of the tunnel, life will come for Nigerian people. Because Nigeria, Abacha himself was passed. Abacha said, no, you don't worse like this. Abacha, that time, you don't be like this. He was dealing with the big men. The poor man was, okay, only that time that they had with the dollar, that they had this international embargo. And the end we survive. I know there's a dollar there. 22 naira per dollar. Who are this regime? You don't go around Ghana yet. You don't cross Asorok. But this man, executive private jet, executive finance. You do for inside, you do a paradise. The paradise, you want me in paradise. The rest, suffering. Look at, before yesterday, my mentor, Anikola Pompo said, suffering and smiling. But now, no smiling anymore. Wickedness of suffering. Why? Why? Because Nigeria always have, okay, God day. But one day, to remember, if you know action, one day, of course, you will die. And Nigeria knows it, they will die, but they will fall with their right now. Why can't we protest now? We are coming. Let the election. That 2027 election, 100 million queue for Obi Bar. Three people vote queue for APC Bar. Akpata is saying what you know because the class say in the wrong way. You will see the reaction of Nigeria there. End of the road. You will see the reaction. And that's why you will know. So Nigeria the best. When nobody vote for you, you say you win. No one see you win. How? Every time they were afraid. They announced in the middle of the night. Okay, now. Go announce for me. See, let me tell you. Me, when I talk about it, I don't fear. So the truth is set you free. And I know that I'm spoken here, but I'm spoken in the behalf of my fellow country. Millions of Nigeria are hearing my voice, and I know I'm talking the truth. And the truth is set me free. I don't care. One bullet I go, but the truth already be said. Because Nigeria can never continue like this. How will it be like this? How? Other country, I don't know human being. Why Nigeria not different? Can you imagine money? A tata neighborhood negotiate. Now, we are harboring terrorists. We are not giving them uniform. We are not saying they are not replaced. We are not saying can they give them. Go out, defend Nigeria. The killer of Nigeria arrested, give him uniform, tell him sorry. Go and protect us. Killing increase. Killing increase.